Hi, my name's Gareth and I am the Technical Manager for BG Sync EV. In today's video, we're going to be installing this, the Wall Charger 2 7.4 kilowatt socketed charger. Scanning the first step in the QR code from the manual will take you to the mobile-friendly instructions for everything we're going to cover in this video. One of the first jobs to do is to line the template up on the wall and then mark these holes with something like a Sharpie pen or anything like that so you can pre-drill all your fixings. Once you've chosen your fixings, you need to drill the back box out to suit the size of the fixings itself. These ones here, we're using a 5.5mm drill bit into the centred holes pre-marked out. At this point, it's ideal to drill out your installation, whether you're coming rear entry or one of the fixings at the bottom. The one on the right hand side, that's your 25mm for your stuffing gland or your blind grommet, and the one on the left, that can be up to 32 for your SWA glands. With fixings, you need something suitable to suit the construction of what you're fastening to. Once you've pre-drilled the back box with your fixings and your cable entry, if you're going down the route of a stuffing gland, you install it into this section here. Once everything's pre-drilled and your cable management is in place, simply use the sealing washers to screw the back box to your constructions. Bring your cable into the back box using the cord grip to hold it into place, and then simply dress it round counterclockwise to use into the quick release connections to the mid cover. Like all EV chargers, there is no continuity to the outlet, whether that be tethered or socketed. So at this point here, we recommend doing your electrical testing using an EV multifunction such as this dialogue tester here, but you can get more from other various brands, Metro, Mega, everything else as well. And here's where we would recommend testing it from. Once your electrical testing is complete, it's time to fit the mid cover. Simply plug in the quick release connector block, plug in your CT clamp to the bottom section down there, and then nicely dress your cables in and close up the ratchet clamp. Once that's closed up, fit the front cover back up to the unit and tighten up the outer screws. So now that the physical installation is complete, all that's left to do is to power up the EV charger, configure and commission using the BG EV installer app, dedicated Bluetooth app that one is, and then hand over to the client to operate and use on monitor. Join us on the next video when we will go through that in more detail.